Welcome to TMI Truck in Norfolk, Virginia. What we have is the Isuzu NPRHD 14,500 pound capacity gas GMC 6.6 liter engine with the Allison automatic chassis. This truck has a 52-foot turning diameter, so it has great maneuverability for your people. The body is a 20-foot Morgan body equipped with a big aluminum wedge liftgate on the back. The capacity of the liftgate is over 2,000 pounds. The aluminum deck will never rust, and it is easier for your people to fold out and fold in. The rear area for the liftgate is galvanized, so that will not rust either. The interior of the body is full plywood lining with 2 rows of E-track so that you can safely secure your cargo and prevent it from being damaged or damage the side of your truck. This truck is equipped with a 14,000 pound rear axle, so you have plenty of capacity. The emission system is a simple catalytic converter system that has protective cages around the exhaust system, so you don't have to worry about a complicated diesel system that requires the filter to be cleaned on it. The cab of the truck is a 3-man cab that will give you plenty of room for your people. It has seat protectors on the seat that can be taken off and washed if they get dirty. This truck is in stock for immediate delivery. Please give us a call at 757-547-7151 or go on the web to www.tmitruck.com for more information.